have some exterior light fixtures going up, the floodlights and the lights by the doors where the siding's finished, and the garage lights inside. So today's pretty outside. We're going to be working on our deck framing a little bit. Right now Jason's meeting with the excavator to talk about our final grade so that we can get that done, get some more gravels in for our driveway, and hopefully seed and straw before too long. We need to get the gravels here first. So he's telling us about what kind to get and how much to get. So we'll get that here first, and then hopefully he can get over here shortly after that to get that done. So anyway, that's happening today, at least the planning for that. And then, like I said, we'll work on the deck framing that we need to get done for that roof. But we've had a few things happen this week. We actually have had our HVAC people working. They are supposed to be coming back Monday, so hopefully they'll finish out Monday, or at least early next week. And we have some things moving forward. We got all our floors finished too. Originally, I was a little concerned about the grates that are going over our heat registers or vents, whatever, the register grates, because they only come in like white, brass, wood, or brown. And our floor, I thought maybe beige would have looked better, but they don't have it. But the brown looks pretty good. What's that called?
Wham danger.
A wham danger?
Yeah.
Wham danga.
We've gotten quite a few things accomplished. A lot of hard work has gone in. We have some trim down in Willow's extra closet ready for her units to be set in, and we got the rest of one whole side of the deck framing for the roof part done, and we got a lot of the long boards done on the other part of the deck roof framing. So lots of progress and lots to be excited and thankful for.
I can't wait to fill up that closet with tons of toys.